Welcome back, Roses. It's Olena from OlenaRosanne, and today I am sharing with you two separate IGTV movies I did from Instagram's IGTV, and so I thought I'd just carry it right on over to YouTube. So what I'm doing right now is adding some of the high maintenance herbal hair growth tea to my hair as the leave-in. Next, I'll go ahead and detangle it a little bit, and then we'll go in with the Annabelle's Perfect Blend Ayurvedic hair cream, and that will seal all that wonderful loveliness in. That's just a random oil, and then we'll go ahead and get to doing a two-strand twist. Once the two-strand twist is done, then I will begin wrapping my Bantu knot gently, hence the title, Gentle Bantu Knot. Now I've slowed this down here so you can see exactly how I'm wrapping it. I'm making sure that's loose, which is why I'm switching from one hand to the other. And I wanted to go ahead and tighten the two-strand twist a little bit, so I just went ahead and winded it around my finger the same direction that the two-strand twist was twisted. Then continue to twist the rest. Everything is super loose. It is not tight whatsoever. I don't even feel the Bantu knot. So I'm going to go ahead and let you guys see the rest of what I've done here, and I'll see you at the end for the results of the Bantu knot out. This Bantu Nile is worthy of subscription, don't you think? Anyway, do you like my results? Tell me what you think. Have you tried a Bantu Nile out recently? Is this one of the styles you struggle with? Let me know. And I'll talk to you later, roses. Bye.